When we initially started the research and development phase of our B3 renovations, we were looking to better control air quality on campus. This is a major access point to school and where we greet most of our visitors and students each morning, and we wanted to make sure that this large entryway was not allowing poor air quality into our facilities and that we could better manage that. Another point that we quickly began to identify as an area of improvement for us was safety and security on campus. And by having better regulated entry points, we also knew that if we were ever in an event of an emergency, we would be able to track and quickly account for all students, staff, and visitors on campus.